What's up, family? Welcome to So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. If you're new to my channel, what we do on this channel, we do real reviews in real time of products. One product at a time, no comparisons, we just focus on that one product. If you like it, you could buy it for yourself. If you don't like it, it is what it is. I started this channel, for the tech heads because, it's not a lot of channels on YouTube right now that, there's a lot of B-rolls and a lot of whatever, man, it's not straight to the point. A lot of theatrics, lighting, this and that, whatever. We get right to the point on this channel. And we just get right to the point on the videos. So, up next, what we got right now is a Soundwear companion speaker. This speaker is from Bose, obviously, as you see in the branding. This speaker is like an alternative to headphones. That's the best way I could that's the best way I could describe it to you. Like I said, no editing. We going straight in. Alternative to headphones. You could still pay attention to what's going on around you without having headphones on, pretty much. So again, we got the Bose Soundwear companion speaker. It's Bluetooth, obviously, compatible for all Microsoft products, Apple, whatever it is, and Android. Soundwear companion speaker immerses you in deep, clear sound, flexible, comfortable neckband, clear phone calls, one-touch access to Siri and Google Now, sweat and weather resistant, includes protective cover, up to 12 hours per charge. And right there in the video, that's how you're going to be wearing it, around your neck. So the music comes up to your ears. Pretty dope. I like it. We'll check out the product and see if I really like it. Alright, let's unbox it, see what's going on. With Bose, you get what you pay for. Products, they give you what you pay for within presentation and everything. This one, nice and simple. Straight to the point, like this channel. Bose, instruction manuals. This is the USB wire that you're going to use to charge it up. Some warranty information. Register your product now. Let's read the manual real quick. It's gonna take long, but let's read it. Alright, I read it. Alright, this is the product right here. Let's move these boxes out the way so we can get a better view on this. Alright, that's the product right there. It comes with this mesh covering on it with a little Bose logo, if you can see that. Alright, let's take this mesh thing off because we want to get to the product itself on the inside. It's a little difficult to come off. It got a zipper and everything, but it is what it is. I like it better like that. That gives it that more futuristic look right there. You could, you could move it around, twist it. You got some flexibility to it, Speakers right here, microphone jack, little Bose logo on it. On the back, you see the buttons. You got your Bluetooth button right here, power button. You got your up and down volume rocker, play and pause, go to the next track, and right here is where you're going to plug the USB adapter in to charge it. Boom, just like that. Alright, let's get this thing on. We're going to connect to the Bose Connect app. Let me turn it on.
Battery 20%. Mobile device not found. Ready to connect.
You got battery level at 20%. Right out the box. Let me go to my Bluetooth. Well, actually, let's go to the Bose Sound Connect app. This is the Bose app right here. We're right into it.
Ready to connect.
Alright, it's connecting. Found it. Or nicknamed mine's Daddy Stovepipe. I don't know where that came from, but I'm guessing you could change that in your settings, but today they call me Daddy Stovepipe. Crazy.
Ready to connect.
You slide it down to connect it.
Connected to Mr. So Focused.
You heard that? Connected to my phone, Mr. So Focused. Alright, let's do an audio testing on it. Let's see how it sounds. Go straight to the Bose website. And we're gonna do like a video that they a guy talking about the headphones.
I'm Corey Llewellyn. I have a digital agency called Transmission Media here in Austin, Texas. I listen to a lot of music, and the device I listen to it through has to be high quality. What I like is you can listen to it and the audio sounds great soft, and if you want to turn it up and really like hear it loud, it sounds excellent. There's no distortion, and at a low level I don't feel like I'm missing like high ends, like I normally do if I'm listening to it on a speaker. It's super comfortable on the back of your neck. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a piece of plastic. So it's almost like a part of your clothing, so to speak. It's really light and it's comfortable, and every time I have it on, I forget that it's on. I do a lot of editing of podcasts. I have to listen to a lot of music. So the interesting thing that happened when I started using Soundwear was that I'm able to listen, I'm able to stay focused in it, and I'm able to get other things done while being aware.
All right, hashtag keyword stay focused. We're going to leave it at that. You heard it. Clear, clear, clear. Let's make a phone call. Let's see how that sounds. Call a Chinese food spot. Why not? Let's see what happens. Let me see if they can hear me. We'll call them and see what's going on. Yeah, how you doing? What time you guys close tonight?
10 o'clock.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good one.
Okay.
Call ended.
You heard it. He heard me. I'm not even screaming into it. I'm about, I don't know, less than a foot away from, the headset right now, but it's going to be on your neck. So it's going to be going, you're not going to even be this far away from it when it's on your neck. So they're going to pretty much hear you. No distortion, and I had it on high volume. So this thing is pretty much dope. If you into technology, if you into headphones, speakers, things like that, you're gonna appreciate the quality on this Bose headset. Again, it's not for everybody, but if you can get it, get it. I understand the price, $250, but we're going to still be rocking out with other things a little lower in products. We might be going with products that's, higher than that. But I always like to check out things that I buy for myself. These are all items that I bought on my own. Sponsored by anyone, by no one but me. I bought these products. I don't have a sponsor yet. Hopefully I get some in the future. But right now, we rocking out the way we rocking out. All right, there goes another installment. So Focused Marketing and Promotions, Tech and Lifestyle channel. Straight to the point reviews, real time, real reviews, unbiased results. 3 things you got to remember in life. Trust God, love family, and stay focused. So y'all stay tuned, stay focused to the next one. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.